In a faraway galaxy, there lived a small death trooper named Dax. Unlike the other death troopers, Dax was different. He was smaller, friendlier, and had a heart full of kindness. One day, Dax found a lost creature named Z, a tiny and scared creature who had wandered far from home. Z was crying and shivering, unsure of what to do next. Dax, with his warm and gentle demeanor, approached Z. "Hello, little one," he said, his voice filled with kindness. "I'm Dax. Don't be afraid, I'm here to help you." Z looked up at Dax, his eyes wide with fear. But as he saw Dax's friendly face, he felt a little less scared. I can't go back," he stuttered, his voice trembling. Dax nodded, understanding the gravity of the situation. "Let's find your home together," he said, and without a moment's hesitation, he reached out a helping hand. They embarked on a journey through the galaxy, meeting new friends and overcoming obstacles along the way. They climbed steep mountains, crossed wide rivers, and even outran a pack of hungry space creatures. One day, they finally reached Z's home, a beautiful planet filled with colorful flowers and sparkling streams. Z's family was overjoyed to see him safe and sound, and they welcomed Dax with open arms. "Thank you, Dax," Z said, his eyes shining with gratitude. "You've shown me that not all death troopers are scary. Some are kind and brave." Dax smiled, feeling a sense of accomplishment. "It was my pleasure, Z," he replied. "Remember, no matter how big or small, we all have the power to help each other." From that day on, Dax continued his journey, helping lost creatures and spreading kindness wherever he went. And every time he met someone new, he reminded them that they too could be brave and kind, just like him. And so, the story of the brave little death trooper, Dax, spread throughout the galaxy, inspiring others to be kind, helpful, and brave, just like him. The end.